Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing gear that gives magnification, a true macro lens or a close-up extension tube. This is why one matters for detail. Once mounted on a tripod, lock down composition and use a remote or 2-second timer so you don't introduce shake. Then set your exposure. Aperture around f/8 to f/16 for depth of field, ISO 100-400 to minimize noise. These first steps ensure you capture a clean, focused baseline image to refine. Now refine focus and light because close-ups exaggerate small errors. You should switch to manual focus and move the camera slightly to find the critical plane, or take a focus stack sequence to combine sharp layers later. Make your light soft. Use a small softbox, diffuser, or bounce with a reflector, because hard highlights ruin detail. Check the histogram as you make changes. If highlights clip or motion appears, reduce shutter speed or increase flash power to keep texture and sharpness intact. To finish, capture confidently. Shoot in RAW and bracket both exposure and focus so you have options for editing and stacking later. Once done, review critical areas at 100% on your camera or computer to confirm fine detail. Make small adjustments and reshoot if needed. If things go wrong, blur, softness, or noise, try raising shutter speed, add controlled flash, or increase ISO in controlled steps. This trade-off keeps detail without redoing the entire setup and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.